Hello, everyone. Jared Havens here, your financial freedom strategist and co founder CEO of Credilife. I am so excited for tonight. Tonight, we have session two of our Credilife Money Mastery Workshop, creating your master plan. Okay, tonight is session two. Before I sent an email that was explaining, how to register as well as some homework. Now, if for any reason you didn't get the homework done, shame on you. But if that's the case, still attend tonight because we're going to be able to show you exactly what needs to be done so you can get caught up. Okay. So for you that have done the homework, props. It's what I like to see in our clients and our students in our community. If you haven't yet, then let's go ahead and get you caught up and we'll help you do that tonight. Okay. So tonight with Alan Williams, the author of Money Mastery and the 10 Principles of Money Mastery, he's going to be on with us and he's going to help everyone create a spending plan. Okay. We're going to go through debt settlement reserve strategies. We're also going to go over strategies on how best to get prepared for the mortgage process through Money Mastery. So that way you're in the best position when it comes to your credit, which obviously you're working with us on, as well as your finances. So you can have a power offer and compete in this market, okay? And even if there's a correction in this market in the future, the better your credit and the better your financial position, you will always be in the best to have the most buying power, pay the least amount of money, and get access to more. And that's what it's all about, okay? And really, this financial piece is really a very key component to all that, as you know, which is why I'm so passionate that we're delivering this value to our community, our clients, and our students. So that way you can do more in this area with clarity in your direction, okay? So I'm very excited to see you all tonight. I will be on with Alan, and I'll see you soon.